Hello, and welcome to another episode of Intuz podcast, where we break down the latest trend in innovations which shaping our world. I'm your host Anal here, and today we are discussing about the most transformative technologies, which is IoT. As IoT continues to grow, business are facing the challenges and the volumes of connected devices. So today we are going to discuss what makes scalable infrastructure in IoT in business. To help us understand, I'm joining the Bimal, an expert in IoT solutions. So welcome Bimal, doing great. How are you doing?
As well. Thanks.
Thank you, and we are also thrilled to have you. So let's start, let's get into it. And you know that the IoT is everywhere, from smart homes to industrial automations. But for businesses adopting IoT solutions, the question of scalability is huge. So why is scalable IoT solutions and so critical in today's connected world?
Yeah, that's a great question. When businesses start deploying IoT infrastructure, scalability quickly becomes a top concern. The most immediate challenge is handling the sheer number of devices that need to be connected, managed, and secured. As business grow, they have to ensure that their IoT solutions can scale, whether that means adding more devices or expanding the coverage across regions. Without a scalable infrastructure, they run into bottlenecks that limit performance and operational efficiency.
So scalability is not just about the adding more devices, right? There is also the issue of managing the massive amount of data those devices generate, right?
Exactly, you are right. Data management is a huge challenge. IoT devices can generate terabytes of data in a short amount of time, and businesses need to process and analyze that data in real time for it to be useful. But that's not all. There are security concerns as well. The more connected devices you have, the more potential entry points for hackers. So, scalability has to include secure data storage and processing capabilities too.
Okay. So it seems like scalability is not just about handling more devices, but it's also ensuring secure and efficient data flow. So let's dive into some of the key aspect of scalable IoT infrastructure. And one of the solution that's been gaining traction is cloud-based solutions. So can you talk a little bit that why cloud computing is such a vital part of scalable IoT?
Yeah, sure. So, cloud solutions are essential for scalability because they offer flexible on demand resources. Instead of investing in expensive physical hardware to support an IoT network, businesses can scale up or scale down as needed by using cloud computing platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP. These platforms can handle the massive amounts of data generated by IoT devices and provide powerful analytic tools to make sense of all the data. Plus, cloud solutions often come with built in security features to protect against data breaches.
So what about the edge computing? I know that's been a big topic in the IoT space lately, but how does it play into scalable IoT infrastructure?
Edge computing is another key component of scalable IoT. It brings computation and data storage closer to the devices themselves, reducing the reliance on centralized cloud servers. This is particularly important for applications that require real time decision making, such as autonomous vehicles or industrial robots. By processing data locally at the edge, businesses can reduce latency and improve system responsiveness, which is crucial for both performance and scalability.
Okay. So edge computing helps with speed and efficiency while reducing the load on central cloud services, right?
Exactly. It's perfect complement to cloud solutions. Edge computing ensures that time-sensitive data is handled quickly, while the cloud providers provides the scalability to handle larger data sets for more in-depth analysis.
So I think we should not forget about the importance of the network connectivity, right? And no matter that how advanced the infrastructure is, right, but it still needs a solid network foundation to operate effectively.
Yeah, that's right. network connectivity is the backbone of any IoT infrastructure or any project. Without reliable high-speed connectivity, the entire system can break down.
True.
For scalability, businesses need to ensure that their network can handle the growing volume of data traffic, whether it's 5G or Wi-Fi 6 or other technologies. Robust network ensures seamless communications between devices and supports the flow of real-time data across the system.
Okay. And to bring this to a life little bit, so let's talk about the real world example. Do you have any case study or example of a business that successfully deployed the scalable IoT infrastructure?
Definitely. One of the great example is a logistics company that deployed an IoT-based fleet management system. They had a large fleet of trucks spread across multiple regions, and they needed a scalable infrastructure to track vehicle performance, optimize routes, and manage fuel consumptions in real time. By implementing a cloud-based IoT solution, they were able to scale up as they added more trucks to their fleet without worrying about the limits of their infrastructure. They also integrated edge computing to process data from the trucks in real time, so they could take immediate action in case of any issues.
Okay, okay. So I think that's a perfect example of how scalable IoT infrastructure can not only support growth but also drive significant operational improvements. And it sounds like scalability is not just about, nice to have, but a key enabler for business successes. So as yes, we wrap up and let's summarize the key points that we have discussed. In IoT infrastructure, is very crucial for businesses to handle the increasing number of connected devices, manage massive amounts of data, and ensure the security. So, with scalable solutions like cloud computing, edge computing, and robust network connectivity, companies can build flexible, efficient, and secure IoT systems. And with Intuz, scalability leads to tangible benefits like cost saving, operational efficiencies, and improve the service delivery, right?
Exactly. IoT is a game changer, but without a scalable infrastructure, businesses won't be able to fully realize its potential. The ability to scale IoT system ensures that companies are prepared for future growth while maintaining performance, security, and efficiency.
Well said, Bimal. And it is really very, clear that scalability is the foundation for a successful IoT strategy, right, Bimal?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, it's really needed.
Yes, yes. So thank you so much for joining us today, Bimal, and sharing your valuable insights. And to our listener, thank you for tuning in today's episode. I hope that you have learned a lot about what makes scalable IoT infrastructure so important. So we'll be back next week. Stay curious. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.